Okay, let's get the solidify and make the thickness 0.3, even thickness fill, only rim, and in the normal section, high quality. And let's check how it looks. It got its issues over here. So leaving the top part, the other sections are in a perfect condition. So we're just gonna apply the solidify modifier and we just fix it manually. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I won't talk in this section. Just follow my lead. Now, how we did that is just we just press SX0 to keep all of the edge loop in the same line. Now we might have to join these two with the J or just with M, or we can just do SY0 so that so that it comes so the entire thing comes in the Y axis line on the same Y axis line. And we just gonna make faces. So we got two edge loops over on the top We now just gonna get those two vertices on their respective y-axis. I mean the on its yeah, y-axis. Let's just get down with the faces. Let's SZ and get that on the same level. We might need one more edge loop, or maybe not. Let's just drag it there. On the same Z level. And let's get F to make a face over there. You might have to hide some faces to get two more edge loops, or we simply have to improvise it. Let's dissolve the data since we don't need it and it's causing way too many problems. We just now have to make no, we need two more edge loops. Same thing. It's causing problems. It's just circling around to the other end that we're trying to connect. So let's delete the edge first. Let's join these two first. Like that. Let's make a face over there. Cool. That might solve it. It might look weird, but it might just work. Okay. Let's see how we have done it in here. Let's get that vertice. Let's get all that vertice in that line and just SZ it. Just Q it on the Z-axis, making that endpoint as the active element. Same thing over with this edge line. Cool. Same with this. Cool. We now it's time to do some minor adjustments. Cool. Looks perfect now.